My name is Ala Alwani. I'm a 25-year-old Syrian living here in Gaziantep. Before the crisis, I was a regular university student, finishing my bachelor degree in medical laboratory sciences and preparing for my master's. We were a family of 6. They were living in Syria. One day, before my finals, during my senior year, my father and my 15-year-old brother were detained. On the day of graduation, I have received the news of my father's death under torture. After that, we couldn't go back to Syria and my family had to flee. We decided to go to Gaziantep as we heard that there were plenty of job opportunities here, and the journey of finding a job started. It was difficult for us for 2 reasons. First, the language barriers, which prevented us from working with Turks. Second, we lacked the experience. So I thought at the time that the best way possible to build a future and live a decent life here in Gaziantep is to take up an entrepreneur. So I started up with the translation. As the need for translation services grew bigger, we started to hire people. We now work with 3 translators. 2 of them are women. Now we have the translation company, but we wanted to expand the scope of our business, and we decided to establish a language center here in Gaziantep to offer language courses and university preparation courses for both Turks and Syrian students. We also think it's a great opportunity to empower Syrian women here in Gaziantep, and thus we have decided to employ female staff or female teachers. I think it's very important to help out Syrian women here in Gaziantep because women here are neglected, even though we have many well-educated women, many women with the capacities and capabilities and experiences. So I think it's our responsibility to help them and give them the opportunity. My name is Ala. I'm trying to help my fellow Syrians, and I'm asking you to do the same.